First thing you want to do is melt some butter and olive oil into a pan and get it hot. The olive oil's there to stop the butter from burning. And then season your steak and in she goes. For medium sort of rare-ish, you want to fry that for about 3 minutes either side. Once you've cooked your meat, take out any bits that you don't fancy, and then you're going in with your onions. Finely diced and shredded onions, soaking up all them beef juices. If onions have had a minute, it's time to go in with a heaped teaspoon of your cracked black pepper to release the oils in the pepper. It is a pepper sauce after all. Once they've had a minute too, then I know normal pepper sauce is brandy, but I prefer white wine. So get some white wine in there, and that will deglaze all the beef juices from the bottom. And you're going to let that reduce a bit, one, to get rid of all the alcohol, and two, because you want your sauce a bit thicker. It's reduced a bit, then you're going in with some Dijon mustard just to add to the flavour. Get that mixed in, give it a minute for the flavours to dissipate into the sauce. Then last but certainly not least is your double cream. Once your cream's had a minute, just go back in with your steak. Don't forget those juices. And you're about ready for your steak and peppercorn sauce. Delicious.